Hi Adam, this is my sketchbook. This is the planned sketch and around the CSM and 1 times, 3 times, 1 times, 3 times, 1 times and 3 times. And this is landscape. This is the nature bounding, the introduction to the tree sport. And then I find how important tree sport in cities. This is the draw friendly, and by that draw friendly, I do the sound map and answer the question in the paper. This is analytical challenges. Our group do the vandalism or for people, and this our group research. We do some animal and human, and then this is the mind map for the animal and human. This is the vandalism of humans. I do it, and they have many kind of reason and people to hurt the trees. This is the rabbit and deer, how it hurts the trees, and the insect and the beaver. And we do the market research. They have 11 products for to avoid deer and rabbit, and use the tree trunk protector and sparing, use CCTV, ringing alarm and sign, and some other the old product. And then I find the animal hole in the park, so that I think animal is a big problem need I to solve. So I draw this. When the small tree here, they have the 5 animals. They love to burrow, to peeling park, to digging, to grow on roads, to pulling. And the small trees say, "Oh no, we have to change." And I say, "Let me try." So I do the normal way is to use the fins, but I find it's too much terrible. So I tried the second. It's either terrible actually. And then I do the second. I find I can use the scarecrow. It can to make the animal afraid so that they will run away. And I can use the wind to let it more like a people. But I find use the eagle model and some other animals model is more natural, and it can have the same function. I can install the notice board, make people know it's a fake eagle, and make the glasses put in the eyes so that it will look more real. When I go back to home, I find that they have a big eagle on the building. I don't know why, but if I were a rabbit, I would really be scared. And then I do some sketch, make it to can move. I use the wind and put this base, and they have the other animal can put on, so that when they have rained, and the eagle will move there to there. So there is a storyboard when the eagle model put in the small tree, and the rabbit and the mouse will think it's real and run away. So, and then I do the map of the park and do how to put this model. But after the tutorial, I find that they have some problem need I to solve. So I do the other visions. This is original, and the 3rd and 4th and 5 and 6 and the 7. I find this is good when just small wind, it will to have a big move. And the 8, I want to make it can be like the wind can floating, so that I combine the arc and the 7 and the 8. So I made the T shape and arc shape. And then I find the arc shape is more good. So that I do the model 2. This is model 1, and I find the advantage and disadvantage. So I choose the model 2, and this is the display diagram. It put in the park will look like this, and this is measurement. This is storyboard. When people put this big model and this model, wind will like eagle's wings floating, so they think, wow, it's real, and it's cutting. And this is my model. The wind will let its wings floating. Finished.